Welcome back, YouTubers. Thank you for joining me. And today we are working on a 2018 Subaru Crosstrek. I'm changing out the lower control arms on this. First, you want to start off with this one right here, 19 millimeter nut. Work it to the front. It's going to be a 17 millimeter in the front also. You're going to want to remove this front suspension bracket. Then grab yourself a wedge, a punch wedge. I actually got these from Harbor Freight. Punch it, it should drop the lower control arm. I have the new lower control arm here. I'm going to go ahead and shove the lower control arm ball joint in here. Try to get it to hold. I'm trying to do this with one hand. I'm sorry, guys. Once you get the lower ball joint to stay in place, it doesn't fall, go ahead and pull the wedge. Finger tight this 14 millimeter. Don't tighten it yet. We'll tighten it once everything is in place. All the nuts and bolts are in place. This is a 17 millimeter. You're going to go around here. That's a 19 millimeter. Go ahead and tighten up the 17 millimeter. You have to use a wrench. You cannot fit a ratchet where that wrench is. I'm turning that wrench right now. You got to hold from both sides. Then once you tighten up that nut, I'm going to go to the other side, which I'm not going to show in this video. Tighten up the 1/2 inch drive on the right side. And these are going to be 19 millimeters. 19 millimeter. There's a 19 millimeter right there. The main one that holds that long stud. These are 14 millimeters. 14 millimeter, 14 millimeter, 14 millimeter. Last one right here. This is the 14 millimeter. I'm sorry, YouTubers. I forgot to mention, before you can remove the lower control arm, you have to unbolt both ends of the sway bar end links. These are going to be 17 millimeters. Tighten everything up. You should be done. Ready to go. You just finished installing new lower control arms. Thank you for joining me. Like, share, subscribe.